Welcome back to our Health Lifestyle channel. Here you will find different videos offering fun facts, tips, and suggestions on how to live a healthier and happier life using natural methods and remedies. If you like what you see, be sure to click the like and share button. Hawaiian Tuna Bowl. This poke bowl only takes 15 minutes to whip up, much faster than it takes to hop on a plane to a tropical island. You don't have to book a trip to the islands to enjoy some delicious poke. Ingredients: 3 tablespoons soy sauce, 2 green onions, finely chopped, 1 tablespoon toasted sesame oil, 1 tablespoon honey, 1 tablespoon sesame seeds, 1 pound sushi grade tuna or salmon, cut into 1/2 cubes, 1/2 c. pickled peppers, drained and chopped, salad greens or cooked rice, thinly sliced radishes, shredded carrots, shredded cabbage. Directions: 1. In a large bowl, whisk soy sauce, green onions, oil, honey, and sesame seeds. Add fish and peppers. Toss until well combined. 2. Serve alone or over salad greens or cooked rice, along with sliced radishes, carrots and cabbage. Do you have other tips you would like to add to our list? Let us know what you think about the video. Don't hesitate to drop a comment below and subscribe to our channel. Check the description below to see our favorite products. Until next time. And remember, a healthy life is a happy life.